So I have here 1/2 cup of water, just plain water, and then 1/2 cup of evap milk or fresh milk, and then 70 grams of salted butter, and then i-melt natin siya into low fire, and then mag-add tayo ng 2 tablespoons of white sugar, and then ilalagay natin yung ating 1 cup of all-purpose flour. So i-mix natin, gawin natin siyang dough. Yan, so luhit na yung gagamitin natin dito. So until you reach this consistency. So I have here 3 large eggs. So 1 at a time ang pag-add natin sa ating eggs. So you don't need to whisk the egg, just add directly into the mixture. Ililipat natin siya into our bowl para mas madaling i-mix. So ito yung proper or right consistency na need natin sa ating butter mixture or sa dough. So ito yung tip na gagamitin ko. And then mag-mix muna tayo ng sugar, and then lagyan natin ng konting cinnamon powder, and then isit aside natin. And inapat, magpainit tayo ng mantika, and then ganito ko lang siya ilalagay. So, less hassle siya. So, pwede nyo rin i-pipe muna sa baking paper bago i-fried. And then, i-dip natin siya sa ating sugar with cinnamon powder. So, ganito. Ang sarap nito, guys. So, pwede rin kayong gagawa ng chocolate dipping sauce. So, ako, or kami, ganito lang para hindi masyadong tamis. So, ayan. So, thank you for watching. Bye!